Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to fill up the power steering fluid reservoir. The reason I'm doing this, I replaced the rack and pinion. So right now the reservoir is empty. I have that funnel there getting ready. You can see the cap on there. But I did remove, this is a 2004 Ford Mustang, but I did remove the reservoir. I'll show you right here. There it is on the side. Of the coolant, and that's because I need access to the pulley, because I will be removing the serpentine belt temporarily, and that's so you won't have to like turn on the engine in order to start filling it up with fluid. So this is like kind of like an alternative way. And of course they say never let it run without fluid, and it's kind of hard because it sucks it all in. So I'm going to show how to do it little by little. So you will need the, this is the automatic transmission fluid. This is for the power steering fluid, the Mercon brand. You can see it there. And you need it just to fill it up. And then this here is the power steering fluid pump. And the tools that you'll need, you can see here, the hex or Allen wrench socket. This is the 3/8. This basically goes in there. And then to loosen the serpentine belt and get it out of the way is a 18 millimeter there. And that's the reason I removed the reservoir, because it was in my way. Okay, so this is the pulley here, and I'm using a breaker bar, but you basically pull it to the right. Sorry. Get this out of the way. Move it to the left to loosen it. You see how it came off? Get this out of the way again. Okay, so you pull it to the left just to get it out of the way, and you get these out of the way. So after it's loose, you just take off the serpentine belt just to get it out of the way. Alright, so the next step is just basically filling up the reservoir up to kind of like almost full. Okay, then after you have the reservoir filled up, the next step is with the hex, the 3/8, the Allen. You basically put it in, and you're gonna turn it clockwise. And I don't know if you kind of see, the fluid is going to start going down little by little, but you basically just do it, making it run through the system itself, basically turning it to the right, I guess clockwise or whatever. Okay, so as you're pumping it, I guess little by little, I don't know if you can see in the video, you'll see that the power steering fluid goes down little by little. You just keep on doing it, and it's kind of like basically repeating, refilling again to the level until it basically doesn't go down anymore, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so then afterwards, as soon as you see that the fluid is not going down any further, you're basically done. You pumped in all the fluid in there, and that's without having to turn on the engine, not being in a hurry, as soon as it sucks in all the fluid, that you have to pour more immediately, and this is more an easier way, to calm it down. And then at the end, you just put back the serpentine belt, and then of course the antifreeze reservoir, and you're good to go. And then just test out the car, make sure you turn the wheel back and forth, and then see if it needs more fluid, and just keep an eye on it until it levels out. Alright, so thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Like I said before, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos on the Mustang. This one in particular is for a 2004 Mustang. The 99 to the 2004 are identical, and I believe other models may be very similar as well. Alright, thanks.